Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius Placements. This is your love and money reading ngayong June. Okay, so titingnan natin kung anong meron. Okay? Syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po ha, pagdating po sa ating mga items. So, yes, protection from evil eye, ring, necklace, bracelets, yan. And yung ating 2-in-1 bracelet for love and money. So, ito yun. Okay. So, meron siyang mga citrine stones. That's money magnet. Okay. Yung ating citrine. Oo. And, kung lalaki ka, pwede naman sa'yo yan. Basta ilagay mo lang sa red pouch. Okay. And, yung ating granter necklace, yung taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, samahan po ng evil eye protection. Okay? Every time na tayo ay may sinusuot na mga minamanifest, nagmamanifest or nag-grant. Okay? Ganun po. And syempre, yung ating pang-alis, MALAS, yung ating cord cut. So, yan siya. Our cord cutting. Iba't iba kasi yung way ng pagko-cord cut. Kanya-kanya yan. So, yung akin is ganun lang. Okay? Wala ka ng roll na gagawin. Excuse me. So, again, kung may tanong, message na lang po. Okay. So, Aqua, what's for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman pagdating sa kaperahan mo in general? Money ng mga Aquarius ngayong June. Money, career, business, trabaho mo. Anong meron? Page of Swords. Interest. Diba? Yan ang nakikita ko, number 1 na narinig ko is interest. Death in reversed. May mga babalik na mga customer. Number 1. Oo. So, yun yung pinaka specific. May mga babalik na customer mo, like old customers. So, may chance ng sales, pagtaas ng sales if ever, old clients. Okay, yeah, the 10 of Cups. Mayroong mabubuksan muli na kung ano man, like pwedeng hindi napayagan noon, pwedeng na-reject noon, pwedeng ngayong June is sabihin nating bibigyan ng chance kung ano man. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ace of Pentacles. This is money. Money. May kasamang money. Some of you, ikaw itong magkakaroon ng new interest para mapalago pa yung kaperahan mo. New interest, or maybe sabihin nating ikaw itong mag-open ng kung ano man, business, whatsoever, another source of income could be. Okay, so, yeah, that's nice. Promotion, yeah, for some of you. Increase. Evaluation. Okay. So, what else? Matatawagan ng dating employer. There's an offer. Okay. So, what else? Oops. Okay, nakita ko kanina to. The Knight of Pentacles, some of you, you need to watch your spending. What's with that Knight of Pentacles? The 8 of Pentacles in reversed. Ace of Wands. Oh, this is nice though. Okay, yeah. 10 of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Emperor. Yeah, ito yung 10 of Pentacles. The World, okay. Ito, hindi to para sa lahat. Ha? Aqua, hindi to para sa lahat ang nakikita ko. Kasi napaka-specific. Some of you, hindi mo na kailangan mag-exert pa ng todong effort para kumita ng malaki. This is not for all. I think, ang nababasahan ko rito, siguro isa. Pinakamadami na 5. Okay? Milyon ang nanonood sa atin. Yes. Milyon ang nanonood, pero ang nakukuha ko, pwedeng hanggang ganun lang, 1 o 5. Ngayong June. Hindi mo kailangan gumawa ng kung ano man. Magtodo effort ka. Okay? Nandun na yung word na so swertihin. Ngayong June. May darating na pera. Malaki. Some of you. Okay? Pero in general, ang nakikita ko dito, hindi mo raw kailangan mag-exert ng effort para kumita ng malaki. I don't know how, I don't know why. Kaya specific to, hindi to para sa lahat. Okay? Sinabi ko, watch your spending kasi may chance na talagang meron kang i-spend. Okay? What else? The 3 of Cups in reversed. Some of you, meron ka mga kaibigan na talagang nagpapababa, no, ng frequency mo pagdating sa pamemera. Could be friends or family, relatives, kung sino man. This is like an energy vampire. Okay, they're like an energy vampire. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Taga-drain to eh. Kung sino man to. You have to detach from them. You need to. Okay? Kasi sila yung sabi nating nag-aalis sa'yo sa direction mo. Plano mo, ganito dapat sana ngayong araw, pero darating sila, sisirain nila yon kung ano man, magkakaroon kayo ng lakad or whatsoever, aayain ka lang mag-inom para, diba, mga ganong bagay. Simple as ganon. Imbes na maging productive ka, pupunta sila sa'yo, guguluhin ka lang. Something like that. Okay? Those are energy vampires, I think. Some of them. Kasi iba sa kanila, hindi sila sabihin natin hindi productive. Okay? Wala silang sabihin nating direction or hindi ganun ka busy. No? Parang ganyan. Yeah, see, the King of Swords in reverse. The Emperor. Some of them talagang sabihin nating gustong-gusto nila every time na gumagastos ka for them. Pamamera ninyo, be careful. Ha? Alam ng taong to, alam nila kung kanino sila kakapit para silang linta. Oo. Anyway. So, yun lang. Oh, okay. So, let's see. What else? Ano bang meron for our Aquarius when it comes to love? Okay. So, situation. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng mga tatlong person. So, who is this person? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya, Aqua? Who is this? The Hermit. In reverse, could be a Virgo. Or they have Virgo placements sa kanilang birth chart. The Hermit in reversed. Some of you, hindi mo na siya nakikita. Or pwedeng meron kang kailangan sa kanya, hindi niya ma-provide. Something like that. Yeah. Could be finances. Commitment, some of you. Itong taong to, hindi marunong mag-commit. Hindi marunong maging responsable. Hindi mo makitaan na pagiging responsable itong taong to. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. Pwedeng asawa mo. Pwedeng naka-connect mo ng matagal. Ka-live-in. Pero hindi mo makitaan ng plano. Hindi mo makitaan ng direction. Okay, some of them may bisyo. So, yun ha. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Some of you may anak kayo. Pwedeng tinatalikuran niya yung responsibilidad niya as a father or mother. Okay? So, walang gender dito. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman, Aqua? Okay, the world. Grabe. What's with that world? The 5 of Cups. Some of you, kung ikaw separated na from them, sign na to na ito ay like blessing in disguise. It's just like a blessing in disguise. Okay? Accept. Mas maganda. Yun ang kailangan mong malaman. Pero, kung ikaw naman ay nandyan pa rin, kakonect mo pa rin itong taong to, matuto ka na mag-grow without them. Okay? Matuto ka mag-grow without regrets. Changes, kailangan rin dito. Okay? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ano pa? Advice, if ever, or yeah, advice na to. So, kuha tayo. Ano ba talaga ang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? Yan ang madalas tanong eh. Ano bang emosyon sa akin? Eight of Swords in reversed. Masyadong comfortable yung person, if ever. Star in reversed. Masyadong comfortable. Walang masyadong sabihin nating hindi ganon na itong taong to ay talagang nag-iisip about future. Hindi sila, masyado silang comfortable. Okay, alam niyo yun? Masyado silang comfortable. Wala yung takot. Parang ganyan pagdating sa'yo, sa inyong connection. Masyado siyang talagang relax na relax. Ganon siya. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita dito sa una nating nakitang tao. Oo. So, what else? Who's next? Aqua. So, sino pa ba ite? Sino pa to? Aquarius. The person. Nakakonect mo. Anong meron sa kanya? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Sino pa ito? Ten of Wands in reverse. Some of them may pagkatamad. Okay. Dinrap mo or dinrap ka. Ten of Wands in reverse. Death. So there's separation here. Could be a Scorpio. Itong taong to, hindi nila kaya na mag-step up, gumawa ng action. If ever they dropped you, then there's energy of separation. Tinalikuran ka nito, Aqua. Ayaw nila ng drama. Some of you, there could be third party involved or hindi lang talaga maganda yung situation, pero iniwanan ka niya. Let's see. Hindi sila ready actually. Hindi sila ready. Sa kung ano man ang meron sa inyo, they're not ready. So, anong kailangan mo malaman, Aqua? The Knight of Cups. Oh. The Magician. And energetically, this person is, sabihin nating attached pa rin sa'yo. Okay? The Knight of Cups in reverse. Some of them, they could be manifesting you. Okay? They're manifesting you. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Some of them, hindi pa sila totally nakaka-move on or okay. Hindi pa sila okay. Emotionally, mentally, physically, maybe. Okay? So, still, andito pa rin yung attachments. May chance na ito is magparamdam pa. Sabi ko nga, this person is not ready sa kung ano man ang kailangang i-fix, sa kung ano man kailangang baguhin or what. Anong outcome nyo? Let's see. What's the outcome? You're confused, okay? You're confused. Ayokong tingnan ng emosyon nito for you. You're just confused. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang outcome nyo? Okay, the King of Swords in reverse. Two of Cups. So, yes. There's this reconnection. Pero the King of Swords is here. This is talking about manipulation, that is lies, that's secrets, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so I think the connection hindi pa rin totally mag-e-end. Kasi, yeah, because of the kung ano-ano man, no, na dahilan ng taong to. Pwedeng takot siya na mawala ka totally. Or nandyan yung hindi niya kaya na wala ka, hindi siya ready. Maybe ikaw yung nakikita niya na mas matapang dito sa sitwasyon na to. Parang ganyan. So, sa'yo siya, ko-connect. Sa'yo siya, magre-rely. Yeah, the 7 of Cups is here in reverse. This is comeback. Yes, a comeback. See, the Lovers. Okay, we're not making this up. Nakikipag-usap lang yung baraha. Okay, what else? Aqua. Who else? Sino pa ite? Sino pa ito? Aqua. So, anong meron? Anong situation nyo nitong taong to? Yung situation muna natin ng yung situation nyo muna ang kukunin ko. Anong situation nyo nitong taong to, Aqua? Anong situation nyo ngayon? Let's see. 9 of Swords. Somebody is, sabihin nating umiiyak ngayon. Iniiyakan mo tong sitwasyon ninyo. Somebody is stressed. Somebody is losing sleep. Okay. The 9 of Swords. Meron ditong takot. Parang ganyan. Itong 9 of Swords. The 3 of Cups in reversed. Oh. There could be third party involved. Some of you, this is specific. Ikaw itong iyak ng iyak pa rin sa sitwasyon nyo. Pwede kasi may nangyaring breakup or what, or stop, no? Or pause sa inyong connection. And hindi pa nangyayari yung reconciliation. Yeah, you want reconciliation sa inyong sitwasyon. Some of you, you're dealing with a hard-headed person. Guarded. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. You're wanting this. You're wanting this. Ano po yun? Ace of Wands. New beginning. With a person. I don't know who is acting like this. Could be you, could be them. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune is in the reverse. Yes, sabihin nating unfinished business. Wala pang nangyayaring bago dito. Some of you needs to heal. Hindi pala some. Most. Oo. Mostly. Kailangan mag-heal from this. Kailan kaya kami magbabalikan? Magbabalikan pa kaya kami? Yun at yun na lang ang nasa utak. Baka meron na siyang iba, hindi na niya ako gusto. Maraming tanong na sitwasyon. Baka meron na siyang iba, kaya niya ako iniwan, whatsoever. Let's see, anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Ano bang meron? Tingnan muna natin, sino ba to? Anong meron sa kanya, Aqua? Para malaman mo siya ito. Sino ba to, Aquarius? The 6 of Cups, your ex. Yeah, totally your ex. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng, sabihin natin, maraming plano nitong taong to. The 6 of Cups, this is energy of, nagkaroon kayo ng mahabang pagsasama. There's this energy of soul recognition, something like that. What's with that 6 of Cups? Ito yung taong palagi mo talagang iniisip. Okay? What's with that 6 of Cups? The 8 of Pentacles. Yeah. Kayo ay nag-build na ng future, oo, ng taong to. Nakita mo na siya na pwede mo siyang makasama in the future. Something like that. Okay? Some of them, this is specific. Okay? Pwedeng itong taong to is nagtatrabaho like services. Okay? They provide services. There could be an instructor, a gym instructor, something like that. Okay? So, pwedeng ito ay nakakasama mo siya sa work, nakatrabaho mo siya, or naging kaklase mo siya, something like that. Okay? So, let's see. Anong emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon, Aqua? Anong emosyon mo sa kanya ngayon? I mean, anong emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon? The 5 of Pentacles. The High Priestess in reversed. Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, still attached. Pakaramdam ng taong to, ikaw ay wala nang pake. Okay? Wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya. They want to know. They want to know you. They want to know kung ano bang meron na sa'yo. Okay? Pareho kayo nag-iisipan. Kasi ang tanong ko, ang tanong ko kanina, anong emosyon niya sa'yo? Pero na mali-mali, no? Like, anong emosyon mo sa kanya? Pwedeng ikaw to. You need them. You're needing them. Being needy. Okay? Longing. Wanting. Pero kung alam mo hindi ikaw to, sila to. Okay? Pwedeng sila to. Ang nangangailangan sa'yo. Ang dami niyang kailangan, ang dami niyang tanong. Pwede kasing ikaw, kaya siya nag-isip ng ganyan, pwedeng ikaw tahimik. Hindi ka nagpapakita ng kung ano mang emosyon. Okay? Like that. Na, death in reverse. Pwede nag-iisip talaga. Meron dito nag-iisip ng pakikipagbalikan, reconciliation. Mga ganyan. So, let's see. Somebody's obsessed. Could be a Capricorn. Yeah, waiting. Andito yung may galit. Andito yung energy na sabihin natin, ano ba yan? Ang tagal-tagal na. Nakakainis na. Parang ganon. Gusto ko na ng kasagutan. Gusto ko na ng kalinawan dito sa sitwasyon namin. Pero I think both of you is just waiting for each other. You're just waiting. Justice. You're just waiting. Somebody needs to step up here. I don't know who. Okay? Kailangan mo bang ikaw mag-reach out, Aqua? Nako, mahirap to sa mga Aquarius. Kailangan bang ikaw mag-reach out dito, Aqua? Kailangan bang ikaw mag-reach out? The Hermit, no. It's saying no. No, no, no. Okay? So, sila ang kailangan mag-reach out sa'yo. So, oo, wag kang gagawa ng hakbang, ha? Okay? Kung ikaw ay nakaka-resonate dito 100%. Dito. Okay? Dito sa una at sa pangalawa. Kung ikaw naka-resonate doon, hindi ko ina-advise na gumawa ka ng way para magkaayos kayo. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they have regrets. Taurus, they want you. Gemini, they're waiting for you. Cancer, they're drama. Oh, there's a lot of drama here. They want drama with you. Leo, hindi pa nakaka-move on si Leo. Virgo, they want to hear from you. They want your attention. Virgo, oh my gosh. Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Leo is hindi pa nakaka-move on si Virgo. Gusto niya ng attention from you. Si Libra, feeling missed opportunity. Feeling the missed opportunity. Some of them, they're just waiting for a sign bago sila gumawa ng action. Scorpio, they don't want any kind of drama. Gusto lang nila ng smooth flowing connection with you. Ayaw nila ng third party involved. Ayaw nila ng kung ano mang conflicts. Okay? So, Sagittarius, they are watching you. They're stalking you. Capricorn, they're open. Okay, they're open for you. Aquarius, being ready. Andito yung energy ng being guarded, managing. Okay? Pisces, okay, they want a long-term connection with you. They want the forever with you. Itong si Pisces. So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below, yung atin pong love letter. Thank you. Goodbye.